fans, this is Larry Horrocks, Parts and Service Director here at the all-new Audi Wilmington. And today we're going to go over a simple tip of how to replace wiper blades. Hang in there with me and you'll see how easy it is. The first thing we want to do is place the wipers in service mode. You do this by turning the ignition on, then immediately turning the ignition off, followed by a long hold down on the wiper stalk. Once the wipers rise, let go of the stalk. On the wiper arm, there's a small button. Press the button and pull up to remove the wiper. Reverse the previous step to place the new wiper on. Be sure to press the button for easy install. Lastly, take the wipers out of service mode by turning the ignition on and pressing the wiper stalk. Okay guys, you saw how easy that was. Be sure to stay tuned for more from the all-new Audi Wilmington.